Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Boombox 4 in the application. You have to start by open JBL Portable App and your speaker should be turned on and connected with your phone. Then the application open for you speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then you need to scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. And right here in the general, the second line, we have rename my product. You need to tap at this line. Then click at the line with the name, and you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to add, let's say, this one. Now, the most important is to click Save, to save this name. Save, close. Now, if we go back, as you can see, we change the name, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!